Hi, I'm Chingy. I'm a museum educator here at Asian Civilisations Museum. This is the first time we are organising an inclusive camp for children with all abilities.
Project Dream Weavers was a 4-day inclusive camp held at the Asian Civilisations Museum. It was held in conjunction with a special exhibition, Guo Pei Chinese Art and Couture. This camp brought together 33 children of different abilities to work in teams, and they get to create their own garments from donated clothes.
I'm Belinda.
I'm Jiawen.
And we're both from Temasek Polytechnic studying apparel design and merchandising.
We are here for a project called Dream Weavers. We are here to help facilitate the kids and guide them along the way through their t-shirt designing. Basically, we are trying to help them to get inspiration from Guo Pei's exhibition and put them into their design.
In school, we also learn like crafts and how to make stuff. So it serves as a purpose to help them create a better design.
I'm really happy to be interacting with them, and I'm really glad that I'm guiding and teaching them what I've learned.
I like the workshop because there is a lot of DIY stuff. I also learned that we can create our own t-shirt and make tote bags for our trainers. I felt like this camp was very interesting, fun and exciting because I was able to make my own camp shirt, and I also could see a famous fashion designer.
We also had the interview with Guo Pei. Hearing her wise words really motivates all of us at Apparel Design to work harder, because seeing how hard she has worked to get to where she is today is like really inspiring.
Especially there's this one message that she gave us, which I think most of us will remember, is that if you have a dream, you shouldn't just work halfway towards it, but really persevere until you reach it, which is very meaningful.
I like the camp because I get to make a tote bag, sketch, and I think it was really fun. I like this camp because you can design whatever you want on it. It just has to incorporate the main theme of the camp, which is Chinese culture. It is fun and I get to make new friends. I like my trainers because they are friendly and helpful. Thank you for listening.